I'm Tom from Frank Harvey Hi-Fi Excellence. Today I want to talk about KEF's new Porsche Design Series of products, namely the Spacewar wireless headphones, also the Motion One earphones and the Gravity One wireless speaker. Follow me into the demo room and we'll have a closer look at the product. So Porsche Design have recently teamed up with KEF to bring a range of lifestyle products into the market on KEF's behalf. Today we'll concentrate on the three main ones in my view, which are the Spacewar noise cancelling headphone, the Gravity One wireless speaker, and then we've also got the Motion One in-ear headphones. The Spacewar is the noise cancelling headphone, which has been introduced to the market at around £349, which means it's going to come into direct competition with the Bose Quiet Comfort 30s and also the Bowers & Wilkins PX1 noise cancellation headphone. The noise cancellation on the KEFs is very effective. It's been specially tweaked to make sure that it doesn't affect the music at all, or any of the detail from the headphones during playback, and it's relatively quiet when we've tried it out ourselves in store. It enables the headphone to preserve the richness of the mids, the detail in the high notes, and also the tautness in the bass performance from them, which I think in terms of the overall sound seems very similar to like KEF's R series. The way that we connect to it is using Bluetooth as you usually would via your iPad or mobile phone. And this also enables us to use the headphones to answer any telephone calls that we're going to receive on our phone or device, and that should also sound pretty clear and understandable via the headphones, as other ones, perhaps the cheaper manufactured ones, perhaps don't sound so good on the mobile phone element. So KEF's Spacewar noise cancelling headphone features 40mm drivers inside of the headphone with a 20mm neodymium magnet, which is ideal for a headphone driver. The voice coils are extremely lightweight inside of here, but without being too lightweight, as it doesn't affect any of the high frequencies or any of the bass. It's still going to give real nice tone and detail, which KEF are known for. So KEF Spacewar also feature a very high quality sweat resistant headband with a lovely leather finish. The ear cups are also incredibly comfortable. This is because they're made out of memory foam, so they're not going to cause any discomfort over a long distance. So the Spacewar also feature an incredibly impressive 50 hours of battery life, and this essentially means you could travel around the whole world and not have to recharge these. So overall it's gonna, be more than suitable for anybody who needs a pair of noise cancelling headphones for journeys on the train or flights. So next in the range we've got the Gravity One, which is the Bluetooth speaker of the range. This is perfect for on the go or even like for a small office or home use. It's got dedicated call functions and then also volume controls on it, so it can be used to answer any telephone calls that we have when we're connected to the device, but it's also going to have control for the most important element in my view, which is the music. Now the drivers inside of this borrow from KEF's UniQ technology, and they do say that it's a UniQ driver at the centre of this. So the way that works, they've housed it, or it's pretty much the mid-range driver and tweeter in one unit at the acoustic centre of the Gravity One speaker, as they usually do with UniQ on a driver. And what this does, delivers a very detailed sound while also not compromising on like separation between instruments. And UniQ, the ideal speaker in the view of KEF would be the sound coming from one source point on the speaker, which is what that does. And there's also twin auxiliary bass radiators on the device, and this ensures that there's no distortion from the bass, or it doesn't sound like it's just a loud noise or flapping. It just sounds nice, taut, controlled, as bass should do in an ideal world. So the Gravity one, in terms of the Bluetooth connection, is at an aptX level, so it's not going to be quite as good as CD quality, but it's going to be just off of that. And with a Bluetooth speaker of this size, it's going to be quite difficult to tell the difference between the two anyway. In addition to this, there's a USB port on there, and we can use this to charge it via the mains, or if we've got another device that we want to attach to it and charge from the USB, we can do that. We can plug it into the KEF and it will then act as a charge point for the mobile phone or the tablet. Battery life on this is a respectable 10 hours. So on to the next product. So the Motion one is KEF's wireless earphone in the Porsche Design range. These are constructed out of a high quality aluminium, and they've got like a really nice titanium finish on them, and I think they look real high quality like the rest of the range. The neckband is made out of a black silicone. This also features the controls for the earphones, such as the volume and also pause for when you connect it via Bluetooth. In terms of the performance for the sound, these have been expertly engineered by acoustic engineers just to deliver the best sound performance possible, really. So like the other units in the range, it's got a really rich mid-range, there's plenty of detail in the high frequencies without being overbearing or bright, and the bass is really punchy and taut and controlled. The connection via Bluetooth is again at aptX level like the rest of them, so there's a higher performance quality from that level of Bluetooth than others. It's not quite CD quality, but it's there or thereabouts, and you wouldn't really notice much difference, I don't think, on like a mobile phone as a source because of the DAC quality inside of those. There's also a cable included with these, so if you didn't want to use Bluetooth, or perhaps you didn't have access to it, you could also use the cable to do that. And in theory, a cable is always going to provide a better signal or better quality of signal over the aptX Bluetooth anyway. These are also an IPX5 rated product, which means they are water resistant up to a certain point, so there's not going to be any problems using these in the rain, and if they got splashed or some spray up them, it wouldn't cause any damage to the earphone at all. KEF's Motion 1 earphones have also been ergonomically designed in terms of the earpieces on the end of the earphone, so they fit real nice inside of your ear canal without causing any discomfort again. The battery life for the wireless connectivity on the Motion ones is 10 hours, the same as the Gravity one. So overall, I'm really impressed with KEF's Porsche Design product, namely the Spacewar wireless noise cancelling headphone impressed me the most. I'm really keen on that product, and for me that is the best wireless headphone for noise cancelling that I've heard too. They're just extremely fun in terms of the sound, nice and punchy, the bass is really controlled, and there's also a lot of detail there, and I actually prefer the sound of those over the Bowers & Wilkins PX ones, which I've also been very impressed with, and as we know, What Hi-Fi gave those a 5-star review. The Gravity one I was also very impressed with as a wireless speaker. I think that the design is fantastic compared to majority of Bluetooth speakers in its price category, and also the sound was definitely improved by having that UniQ driver there, which, as we know, offers a lot for a speaker in general. And then with the Motion 1 earphones, I also found them very impressive, and I think those sort of a earphone are quite new to the market in terms of like having on the go wireless capability, and I thought they were impressive overall in terms of the sound, and that's coming from somebody who genuinely doesn't usually get on with in-ear headphones. So if you really enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more, please don't hesitate to subscribe below to our YouTube channel, and for great deals on this product and many others, please visit the website www.hifix.co.uk. Many thanks.